Okay, so we have three resources: man hours, which is just a simple permanent resource, and two consumable resources: cabling and paint, and I've allocated each of those to those activities. And you can see I've got some columns here for the total amount of man hours, the total amount of cabling on the task, the total amount of meters squared of paint. And just looking at this column here, it's for the actual man hours set to man hours and to the current progress period. So this means when the progress period is reset to next week via the planner, it will reset itself. And that's repeated for the actual quantity, so actual cabling on the cabling resource, and again using the progress entry period, and for paint as well. So those columns are set up. I'm just going to turn off the lines here, and then in Project Browser, having logged in, and found my project, let's just get that right. So you can see what I've actually done here is in Powerproject I've got a view called AW Progress View, which has got the columns that I've set, and in View in Project Browser I've selected that view so the user only sees this information here. So what I can do is put in the actual man hours that we've done on that particular task, so maybe 20 hours in this progress period, the total amount of paint. It's a bit of a mess up taking, so I've changed that column, but we'll put in the actual paint square meters of 50, and we would have put in the cabling, but obviously set something strange on the column. And then once I update this, that'll update Powerproject. And you can see we now have an actual amount of paint and an actual man hours, and turning on the lines again you can see that it's progressed those up. And to wrap, if the project manager's happy with that, to roll that up onto the task, we just right click and set progress from allocations, and that rolls the progress up there, and the uncompleted sections obviously go to the right of the progress line. I wonder what I did there. Anyway, hopefully you get the idea from there.